Obsidian. Black glass formed in the heart of a volcano. Beautiful. Strong. Stunning. Qualities that Kwikset bring to your front door with the Obsidian touchscreen lock, featuring elegant design as modern as the technology that powers it. This cutting-edge lock safeguards you and those you hold dear. With unmatched security and sophistication, protect with style, astonish with strength. Obsidian.
Introducing Premis from Kwikset, the latest smart lock with Apple HomeKit compatibility. Now you can use Siri voice commands to do this.
Siri, unlock front door.
Which in turn does that. HomeKit also lets you control your lock remotely.
Siri, lock front door.
Via your Apple TV. Download the free Premis iOS app to check your lock status, lock history, and battery life. And even send up to 30 unique user codes, which give anyone access for as long as you want. Best of all, Premis installs in just minutes with absolutely no hard wiring required. All while enjoying Apple's end-to-end encryption that protects your personal data, as well as the trusted security features you've come to expect from Kwikset, America's #1 selling lock brand.
Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the ULTRALOQ Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.
This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockly, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockly can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by PIN Genie. and advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockly comes in Deadbolt, Latch, and Mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockly, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door.
Open. Close.
Open. Close.
Open. Closed.
Introducing the Yale ULTRALOQ, a lock so smart you can use your phone to remotely control and monitor your door from anywhere. And you can always use an entry code on the keypad. The Yale ULTRALOQ and levers come in various finishes to fit your door's style.
For more than 100 years, Schlage has helped you protect what matters most.
It's our new house.
Trust your home to Schlage.
It happens every morning, and when you're late, and on your way out the door. But what if you never needed a key again? And what if your lock could connect to your phone, so you knew who came and went? What if the company that's reinventing the home worked with the company that invented the lock as we know it? Introducing the Nest Yale lock.
What else could a guy want? Great family, good house, Wi-Fi. Wait, no, I didn't click that ad. Sorry, didn't mean to click that. But imagine that. Come on in, Ryan. Wow. It'd have to be easy to set up, though. Last thing I need is another installation disaster. No smart home hub. No idea how those work. This only needs Wi-Fi? That sounds pretty simple. Certainly could make life easier. And I suppose it would offer more protection. Could even keep an eye on things while we're out. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
Hey Google, is the front door locked?
The front door is locked.
Dad, why don't you just get the Halo smart lock so we can stop listening to you dream about it?
Oh no, they can hear me. How long has this been the case?
Home or away, the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt provides peace of mind from anywhere. Built-in Wi-Fi connects seamlessly to your smart home. You can provide access codes and enable custom notifications. It's why so many people trust their homes to Schlage.
Lockily Secure, Secure Plus, Deadbolt Edition, PGD 728, PGD 728F, Installation Guide. Let's take a look at everything in the box. To complete this installation, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a tape measure or ruler. Let's start now. Preparation. Remove any existing lock set from the door. Prep the door if necessary. Measure and confirm your door thickness is between 1 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches. The cross bore hole must be 2 1/8 of an inch diameter. The edge bore hole must be 1 inch diameter. The back set should be 2 3/8 of an inch or 2 3/4 of an inch. Adjust deadbolt and install. Measure the back set. The deadbolt comes set to 2 3/4 of an inch. For 2 3/8 of an inch back set, adjust the length of the deadbolt. Deadbolt slot must align to the center of the door hole. Extend the deadbolt by inserting a flathead screwdriver into the slot and turning clockwise. Attach the deadbolt into the door using 2 screws, K. Make sure that the right side is up and the slot is in the vertical position. Prepare lock for installation. The upper portion of the lock set can be secured with double-sided adhesive tape and optional fasteners. If you wish to have added stability, a drill is required if there are no holes prepared for lock installation. Please refer to the provided template for the drilling dimensions. After the hole is drilled, install the slotted barrel extension, O, to the exterior assembly, B, and securely tighten with a flathead screwdriver. If you don't want to drill a hole, we have provided double-sided adhesive tape for you to help stabilize the lock during installation. Peel the paper cover off of the exterior adhesive, T. Install exterior assembly. Make sure the torque blade is in the vertical position. Place assembly and torque blade through the deadbolt slot, and guide connection cables through the crossbore hole under the deadbolt. Align and secure until flush to exterior door surface. Install interior assembly. With adhesive strips. Align and secure mounting plate, M, guide connection cable through and secure to the lower left notched hole. Insert, tighten by hand 2 screws, G, located on the left and right of the blade. Check alignment and tighten with screwdriver. Use the key to ensure deadbolt locks and unlocks smoothly, no binding or rubbing. When finished, leave the deadbolt extended and remove the key. Plug the cable coming through the mounting plate into the interior assembly. Make sure that the plug is oriented correctly, matching the red side of the plug to the red side of the socket on interior assembly. Tuck cable under eyelet hooks and route to the right on interior assembly. Ensure the thumb turn is vertical. Place the interior assembly against the mounting plate and make sure the torque blade is inserted to the thumb turn shaft. Secure the interior assembly to the mounting plate with 2 screws, I. Install batteries. With the door open and the deadbolt fully extended, insert 3 batteries only. Press and hold the program button. Continue to hold and install the 4th battery. The lock will automatically start self-check. Release program button once check starts. If the lock is not properly installed, it will open and close repeatedly. Once self-check completes, ensure the lock operates smoothly by manually locking and unlocking the door using the thumb turn on the interior assembly. Install the battery cover, H, and secure it with screw on top. Install door strike. Use the supplied door strike or use your existing as long as the deadbolt operates smoothly without binding or catching. Congratulations, this concludes the installation of the Lockily Secure, Secure Plus, Deadbolt Edition. To